Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: scale, north orientation, and who will use the plan. Measure key walls and openings now, do not delay. Once done, sketch a loose layout to place primary rooms and circulation paths. Make sure to label fixed elements like windows and doors so you can verify dimensions later. Keep your legend and symbol set simple. That consistency prevents confusion during revisions. This immediate, focused start sets the foundation for accurate detailing in the next steps. Once the basic framework exists, you refine each room to usable dimensions and test clearances with furniture or fixtures. Draw door swings and circulation lines to ensure flow, adjust walls for practical use. Then layer structural constraints, beams, columns, stair cores, so your layout respects load paths. Next, overlay mechanical and electrical runs. Coordinate plumbing stacks early to avoid clashes. Make sure to annotate critical dimensions and materials. This level of detail prevents costly changes during construction or client review. To finish, you consolidate annotations, room names, finishes, and schedules into a clean set. Check every dimension twice. Export coordinated CAD layers and produce a readable PDF for stakeholders. Once exported, walk through the plan mentally or with a colleague, simulating use to catch errors. If something goes wrong, if dimensions clash or a utility conflicts, pause and trace the issue from the structural layer outward. The quickest fix is adjusting routing or slightly shifting non-structural walls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.